In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook search history. So there's many applications for it. It all depends how you want to use it. But yes, I'm going to show you in two places, one in your phone and also one in your computer. I'm going to start with a mobile first. Now, before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing to this channel so they can get more digital marketing tips like this. Now, without further ado, let me jump into my phone first, then jump into my computer later on. Let's go. Alright, let's start with my phone. So first of all, go to your Facebook app. Click on the three lines at the top right. Click on your name. Click on the three dots. And you can see activity log, click on it. Scroll down and you can see log information. Scroll down and you click on search. See your search history, just click on it. And then you can click on the three dots and then delete. This is how you can delete your search history with your phone. Or you can ultimately just click on clear searches and you will delete everything. So I'm going to show you in computer. It's quite similar method as well, just that the place where you find it is a bit different compared to in the phone. So now let me quickly jump into my computer and let me show you how you can do it. Let's go. Log into your Facebook account, go to top right, click on it, go to settings and privacy, click on it, and you can see activity log, very direct. Click on the activity log, and then similar with what you see in the mobile, go to log information, and then you can see all the searches here. Same thing as well to delete, just click on the three dots and click on delete. If you want to fully delete everything, just click on the arrow beside search, click on it, click on your search history, go to clear searches, just click on it and everything is gone. There's no notification that asks you, do you want to clear? Okay, no. They will straight away clear everything for you. So be careful when you want to do your clearing. I mean, if history is important, you can make sure on that. There's a few other things you can look into here as well. Groups you search for, other things that you have searched for. So you can just explore and have a look.